Hello friends, I am Nikhil, Senior Divisional Personnel Officer, Ambala Division, Northern Railway. In this video, we will try to learn about file handling in e-office. Enter your login ID, password and login. Click File Management System. Then receipts that we already discussed in another video. Click Files. In our day-to-day work on files, mostly falls under the three categories. That is, at our office, our clerks or office superintendents, they create their own file. Like we create our own file. That is one. Second is already file is created and we keep on working on that file. Like working on the files which are already created by the self. So third one is working on the files received from the another user. Like operating department sent some file to the personal branch. Now personal branch will receive it and they will do further intended actions on that file, and they might send it back or they might keep it with theirs to issue the orders. So these are the three different kind of file working we generally do in normal day-to-day working in the office. Now we will see how to do above work in the e-office. So for that, go to file. So this is the inbox. In the inbox, you will see whatever the files which are already received in created or received in your inbox. These are the files which are already created by self or received from outside to the concerned user inbox. First, we will see how to create a new file. So for that, go and click create new option. Here we have to fill the data in the right side to create the file. Northern Railway, these are already Ambala Division filled in the packet. Personnel. Now we have to let us assume that this is a welfare file. Udharan Senior DPU description. Right, demo. Category. Now you can choose something, anything out of it. Let us we choose it as an appointments category. Remarks, if you want to write in for your remarks or previous reference also, if any file is there, you can view that or later physically. Now we have to click this button, continue working. Then the system will ask a confirm message. File number will be generated. Do you wish to proceed? Because this file, the number generated will be file and cannot be edited. Then click OK. See, now the file is generated with this file number. This is the file number. This is the subject. Here you can edit the created file also. Here you can't edit the file number. See, this is not editable. But here you can edit the description. Now demo testing is there. Now I am writing demo testing 1, 2, 3. You just save it. See, now the subject changed to demo testing 1, 2, 3. The file will be saved. So here we can edit only subject. File number can't be edited. Now we will see the intended actions in the created file or existing old file. Even the old file also looks like this only. There is one a left hand side, right hand side. In our normal physical file contains two parts. One is noting part and one is correspondence part. In the e-office also, the file also looks similar to our the physical file in day-to-day working. This is the left side, this is noting part. Right side is the correspondence part. This is the e-office. Same exactly looks like our physical file. So how we will deal with our physical files? Whenever we open a new file, first we will attach correspondence on the right side. So here, how to attach correspondence on the right side? You just click EOC. Then this window will appear. Now here you can attach the correspondence from here. To attach documents on the correspondence side, first those documents have to be scanned into PDF and taken into e-office under receipt head by creating a new receipt. I explained this action already in the receipt doc handling video. So once you scan the required documents that you want to attach in the correspondence side, you just scan them into PDF and take them into your receipt head. Then attach, click attach button. See, these are the receipts that they are showing in your inbox in the receipt head. Let us click this one, attach. Okay, this is attached. So now you want to attach another document also. Second document. So you can attach one more document also. Okay. Now this also. Okay. If already any attachment is already this having a inbuilt file that can't be attached here. Now you see. I click this file report. This can't be attached because it's already having a file with it. So this can't be attached here. Only inbox receipt which is in the PDF format without any file attachment can be attached here. See, now we attach the 3. Correspondence side, in normal or physical file you will see the serial number. In serial numbers, like serial number wise you will see the correspondence. Here you see we attach this document first, then the serial number one is 124. This document second we attach second. There is 528. This is 922. So if you want to see at a one place, now just click it. Now just you click it the all button. So now you see. Now you can see all the correspondence that you attached 1 to 12. The serial number is 1 by 12 here. It is 2 by 12. See, the beauty of e-office is the serial number is automatically generated here without giving, because you just have to attach your correspondence in a sequence manner so that the serial number on the correspondence will be generated by the system itself. Like exactly what we do in our physical files with our pen. Once we attach the correspondence, then we give the serial number in the correspondence. And here that work will be done automatically if you attach the correspondence in a sequence manner as desired by you. Now here the correspondence are attached. So once these correspondence are attached, here now you can give some references and links in this file can be attached. I will tell you example. Now you are creating this file. Let us think that this is a selection file or let it be a contract file. So after creating, once you created this file and having attached the correspondence side, sometimes you may have to link an old file where already some decision is taken which is relevant on the present file. So for that, click link and click internal files. Now the window will come, then you have to attach. Then whatever the files that is already created, you can attach. I am just attaching this file. This is attached. This is the file. I given as a link in this present file to decide on the present file. Next, instead of giving a link, sometimes documents or receipts outside the e-office also needs to be attached as a reference in file after file creation while working on it. For example, you created a file, you attached some other correspondence. So you need a clarification or root position received on a doubt to be attached as a reference at later stage. Sometimes a reference or root position you received later after creating the file, that you have to attach as a reference in the file to take a decision. So for that, you just click a reference, then click local reference, click upload file, then you can attach the reference from here. You can attach any reference, whatever the reference you want. I am just attaching this reference. Here reference can be attached from the PC storage. Now you are seeing the difference now. When we are attaching the correspondence, this correspondence has to be attached from the inbox of the e-office. But while you are attaching the reference letter, you can attach from the PC storage also. See, this is attached reference. Now you just click TOC. If you click details of the file will be shown here. Okay. So now we see, till now we seen the working on the correspondence side, that is right side of the file, like attaching the corresponding documents and giving any old link of the file or attaching any document as a local reference from the PC storage. Now we almost completed the right side part of the physical file. Now the same actions we seen in the e-office also. Here how to create the same thing. Now we go to left side of the file, that is noting part. Here you are seeing two options. One is add green note, one is add yellow note. So I will explain you in detail what is green note, what is yellow note. You have to listen carefully this part because it is very important for the beginners. If the dealer or the clerk or subordinate officer is confident on the subject matter of the file they are creating, and if they are very confident on the role position on the regular matters, the noting can be generated in the green note. Click the green note here, write some of the noting, test, reference, note 1. You just typed it. If you want to discard the green note before you are sending further to another user, either you can just erase this thing, or if you want to discard the note itself, you just click here, discard the green note button. Then it will ask, do you want to discard the green note? You just click OK. So then the page will appear as empty. You just discarded the green. And while writing the green note here, you can attach documents, letters, or any other receipts from the computer storage. Here you can attach, see, I'm attaching one, attach. Here there is no restriction of it should be PDF. Here the restriction is only PDF files can be attached here, other files can't be attached here. So see, now they are showing only PDF file is allowed. So you can attach a document from PC storage as a reference at noting side also. I'm just discarding the note. So the noting along with the attachment is discarded. Now we will see about yellow note. Add yellow note, I'm just clicking. What is the major purpose of the yellow note? If the note creator may be a dealer, office superintendent, or subordinate officer. If he is not sure about the subject of the file he is creating, especially the noting part, he is not confident on the rule position part, or being a new subject, or maybe he may be new recruit to the organization. So many times, if they are not confident, generally in our regular day-to-day work, what will happen? They come to next higher officer, they will write something on the note, and they come to next higher officer, then they will show, sir, I written this note, whether it is right as per the rules or not. If the officer says, no, this is not as per the rules, or this is having these mistakes or spelling mistakes, what are the mistakes, then what the dealer or OS will do, he will just simply discard the note is created as a draft in the physical file also. Then with the corrections told by the higher authority, then he will prepare the fresh note to take the approval of the competent authority. So the exactly that kind of option is replicated in the e-office as a yellow note. This is what the thing that we see in the physical file also. And I will tell one more example. Many a times a higher authority, whether it may GM, AGM, DRM, ADRM, maybe it may be a PHOD or branch officer. Let us take the example of senior DOM. So generally, many times they have to initiate note at their own level. But for initiating a note like a tender or a D&R document or anything, they give dictation to their confidential assistant in the office. And after finalization of the draft, the concerned officer will sign the note at his own level. I am talking about the physical files. He will sign the note at his own level. So all that work will be shown as that file is initiated or the note is initiated at the concerned officer level itself. The difference you have to see very carefully. The note is typed by the confidential assistant. The dictation is taken by the confidential assistant. But finally the note is signed by the concerned officer. So how to do that work in the e-office? Again, that can be done in the yellow note. Here I will show you how to do it. This is the yellow note. You just write testing reference note 2 or anything like you can. I already explained in the receipts and while creating the draft, it just exactly looks like a MS Word platform. You can do whatever the corrections or whatever the editings here in the options shown here, and you can change your language also from English to Hindi or whatever the thing. And either you can cut, copy, paste from any other document on the PC desktop, and you can simply paste here, or you can type directly here. Take reference note 2. When the note is started in the yellow note, let assume that is completed. After completion, it can be sent to next higher authority by clicking the send button. So here I am sending it to next higher authority. I am just writing my own name here. Selecting C. I received the file in my inbox. I am for the practical purpose I am doing the both option at same level, but now we assume it as received from one of my dealer. See, now it's showing how the window is showing right side. You are seeing all the correspondence they attached here. See, now you are seeing all the correspondence here, serial number wise. Okay, if you click DOC, it will show all the correspondence that attached at one place. DOC. This means some draft is attached, like we attach the references and the file. This box is already attached with this file. See, already that we attached the file that is showing, and the draft is attached, that will show. So here the yellow note is reached to the next higher authority. When yellow note is reached to the next higher authority, either here he or she can edit the note, yellow note. Just click the edit button and he can edit anything. Testing reference note 1, add reference 3 to E. He just, let us assume that he the next higher authority edited the note. Okay, then click submit. Okay, then see whatever the note you added the note, it came here after submit. Now here there are three options. Edit, that we already seen. If you click the discard node, the total node will be erased. Whatever the changes you did, that will be erased. This is the confirm button. If you click this confirm button, then yellow node will turn into green node. So then when yellow node is converted to green node, then it will be shown as that this green node is initiated at the higher authority level. I told you already that if the node is prepared by the contestant, then contestant from his I of his ID is sent to the higher authority. Then higher authority is satisfied, then he can click the confirm button, then it will be converted into green node. But here I am not clicking the confirm button by treating that node is initiated at the lower level. Now after this, now you can send back the note along with the file to the same person. I am just sending it. Okay. So now I got this note from the higher authority. For the practical purpose only, because I am not showing any other user ID, I am doing all the access from my user ID itself, right from node create to the node approval. Just don't be confused with that. Now from higher authority, as a dealer, I received this node. So now you can edit more if anything to add it, or you just click confirm. See, now the yellow node just converted into green. This is after the taking after the showing the node to the higher authority upload. When this yellow node will be used, that when the subject matter is not, when the dealer is not confident about the root position, or he may be new to the organization, then better to use the yellow node. After receiving the yellow node back from the higher authority, the dealer can read it that I showed you, then turn it to green node, then you can now send it further to the higher authority. Now while sending your this node, either you can, there are two options, you can send without digital signature, or you can send without digital signature or with digital signature. I am sending without digital signature. I am sending the node to the higher authority, that green node. Send. That green node from the dealer I received as a higher authority here. I am opening C. The green node is generated by the dealer. I am showing the for the board purpose. I am acting as the dealer in senior DPO. See here without this signature it came, but it with the name whoever is sending the note, that will be appear here, and the note also appear here. And when the time and exact date also it will be shown here. You show note. This is the note one. Add green. If you add more things, I will show one more thing also. While writing noting reference, many a times you give correspondence reference on the noting side. In the physical file also we do many times. For example, while writing please refer to page number 4 on refer to on correspondence. Then if you want to give that reference here, you just select it totally and you just go here and click reference button. Then there is asking page number. See that I am referring to page number 4. Okay, I am clicking page number 4. Okay. Here you can't see what is the major difference here. Here you can, when this note is sent to higher authority, then this part will appear as HTML link to the higher authority. I will show. Now I am sending it. Send. I am just sending without DSC signature. Okay, see note 1 that is created with the dealer. This is note 2 by the higher authority. Here see, if I click this looks like say HTML link. If I click this, see exactly that page 4 will be opened here. See how flexibility e-office is giving us to work in the digital format. In the physical file, when the dealer writes refer to page 4, then you have to go to the physical file, right side correspondence, then you have to highlight that part physically. Here you can, by selecting that button and by giving the reference, it will turn into HTML link, and whenever the note person who is reading that note can just click it, then the exact page will be appearing. This is the very important useful option in the e-office while creating the files and while writing the notes. So now you see, let us assume that the noting part also done. The dealer is put up the file, I give the approval. So this is the correspondence part, it's done. Previous notings, if you want to see any notings, you can see here. If you want to see all the correspondence here, you can see here. If you want to see the details, these are the details of the file, you can see here. You just this generate or view PDF. If you click it, you can download complete file, or you can download noting, you can download correspondence, you can download draft for approval. This is very good option. If you created one file and already correspondence is there, noting is there, you attach some of the documents, already draft is also attached. If you want to download, you can download individual or you can download complete file also. Just I am showing you how to download the complete file. I just click the OK. Complete file is downloaded. See here, the one file I attached as a receipt, I attached, that also is showing here, receipt number. See, this is the noting page, and by one file I attached also, this is the file I attached, the file also it is showing as a link here. So the total file you can see here, that is correspondence, noting, and reference from the PC storage that we gave, and also file link that we gave to descend on this file. So everything is shown here. At this stage, file can be sent to nextira.team. Then you just click the send button. If you want to send, you can send with digital signature or without digital signature. If you want to send with digital signature, you just click. Yes, you can write if you want any remarks. Please and you can give any remarks. Click DSC and sign. See, it came here. See. Earlier 2 times I sent the file without digital signature on the noting part. Now while sending this time I use the digital signature. Now here file is signed digitally also, on the noting side. So I am showing all the options in the file, that you can send the noting part without digital signature, or you can send with the digital signature also, noting part. So after completing the noting correspondence work, sometimes we may have to create a draft letter to send further from the file. For example, a file for the mutual transfer is created. Let us think that this is a mutual transfer file. A new transfer application is received, scanned, then we take into receipts, that inbox that I already discussed. Then that we attach on the correspondence side. Then we have prepared the note here. Then taken the competency authority approval by giving the NOC to another division, left hand side. Now then you have to prepare a draft letter. The draft letter means that you have to send a letter from the file to another unit by conveying our decision that NOC we are giving along with the attachments. So for that, go to draft. This is view draft. If you already created any drafts here, that is view draft. If you want to create new draft, click new draft. So this looks like exactly like MS Word. This creating draft I already discussed in the receipt section also. Receipt section also you can directly create a draft from the inbox letter and directly send a reply by attaching a letter here and by attaching any file here, PDF, Word or Excel sheet here. You can attach Excel sheet only in the draft. You can't attach in the while creating any receipt in the inbox, or you can't attach Excel sheet while on the correspondence side also. You can attach. You have the flexibility to attach any file in the draft mode. So here I am writing here to the DRM. I am just writing in a very simple language. OC granted. This is the just draft letter. For the purpose I am showing the very simple manner. This is the draft letter that I am sending to DRM Delhi, that DRM umbrella granted the NOC for the transfer. Okay. So here you can attach the documents. What attachments in transfer you require? Generally service record copy or leave account copy you have to attach. Or you can, I am just showing here, you can attach Excel sheet, or you can attach any PDF file. Excel sheet, PDF file, or you can attach a Word document also. Let us think that this is a service record, this is a leave account, this is any D&R clearance on the Excel sheet. Let us think that. For the purpose of showing the what are the flexibility options in attaching files, I am showing all the options to you. Then you just click right side, whether it's a new document or reply. So if it is first time if you are giving the NOC, then it's a new, or if you are giving a reply NOC, then it's a reply. Draft nature you can choose whether DO letter or letter. You can just simply that is a letter. Subject already you can change the subject, or you can keep the subject of the your file also. Demo testing 1 2 3. You can write subject NOC for IRMT, Indian Railway Mutual Transfer. Here who is sending? Nikhil. Field attach is there. Same. This is exactly same like where we discussed the draft option in the receipts. So here, if he is a dealer, he don't have the approving authority. If he is a higher authority, only he has the approving authority. I am approving this draft. See, this draft is approved. Here showing draft status approved. Here it shows draft status as the approved. Once the draft is created along with the attachments, it can be signed digitally, or you can do custom sign, or without digital signature you can send the draft along with file in the here. If you click the dispatch by self, you can send it through post or you can send it through email. Here I am again telling you, here the draft along with the attachment will go outside of the e-office. You can't send within e-office in the self by dispatch by self or dispatch by CRU option. Here you can write any at Gmail. I'm just showing as an example. If you write and if you send, it will go as a that year Gmail. You can click here send with follow up or send without follow up. You want to see the draft you created NOC for IRMT. Here it will all show. If you go to draft and if you click the view draft option, it will show all the drafts which are created in this file. This is the latest draft which is created. You can see the subject as it will show. It is show version 1.0. So you can sign, you can do custom signature. I want to do signature NOC granted DRM Ambala. I want to do signature here. Just click DSC sign. See, it is showing sign. It is not asking password here because I already entered the password earlier here for another file. That's why it's not asking again the password. Here the file is the draft is digitally signed. Let us think that this is the NOC document. These are the attachments. Now you can you can dispatch by self. Here you can't send out of within the office. You can send out of the office only. You can see. Now here I am writing some email ID. Okay. 11 send without follow. The draft along with attachment is sent to self to it is showing it is sent. Just go to files, inbox. This is the file we created, demo testing 123. Okay. I will just show email. Here I already shown view draft. This is the draft we sent here. This is we sent here out of the office. So many times you want to send this draft within the office also. That means here a total file along with draft can be further in the office. Standalone draft with attachments can be sent only through mail or post here. A standalone draft along with attachments can't be sent in within the office from here. If you want to send this standalone draft within the office, then you have to just download it. Desktop, just download it. This is a draft. Because you can't send this draft along with attachments within the office from the file itself. Here you can send draft along with attachments outside the office to any email ID. That is okay. But within the office, if you want, you can't send as a standalone draft. You can send as a total file. This total file you can send along with the draft. But this standalone draft, if you want to send many times, you have to send the only standalone draft from one of the file to outside. For that, you have to download this. Then it will be downloaded to PDF. Then go to receipts, browse and diaries, upload file, desktop. This is the download. Just now we downloaded. Generate. These things we have to fill. Category. Just appointments. Check. Generate. See, now it is generated in created folder. See, this is 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the standalone draft letter we want to send within the office along with attachment. If you don't want to send along with the attachments, you can send from here directly. Send button that I already explained in the receipts video, but I am again explaining here. If you want to send it along without any attachment, just click send. If you want to send along with attachments, attachments can be any kind of attachment from the PC storage. Then click dispatch. Then it will go to inbox. From here it will open. Here you can attach anything. Upload file. Just see. I'm uploading it here. I'm just, you can attach, you can attach anything. Attach file, final. Same attachment that we did in the file. Attachments can be done here and saved here. Then you can approve it. Then you can sign it digitally. See here, draft status approved. It's shifted to sign. Then you can, if you want to send it within e-office, then send. Then click. Is it not going? I will select another user. Chandrasekhar DPO, I'm selecting him. Since I will try to. See. Because it's not saying, it's not taking CC as the same because of the same user. This time sending. See, sent out of the within the e-office. See, now demo 1, 2, 3. See, this is the thing. Details. See, this is the draft. Along with the draft, along with the attachments. See, with the attachment, the file is sent. This time pulling back this file from here because I just sent it as a test one. See the file here. Now we are seeing a symbol here. This symbol means this file is having a draft within it. That we already created draft now. This receipt or file. If this symbol means it, this symbol can be appear on the receipt page or it can appear on the file also. This means there is a draft within it. See, this is the draft along with the attachment. File also. See, this means there is a draft attachment. You can see here, file with draft. This is a file with draft. This one. This is self only draft. Now we seen all the options of file handling while creating a file. So the same actions will apply to the old file or any other file received in your e-office. So let us assume that this is a file received from outside, that we did all the actions. Then you can send this file to further with whatever the intended corrections, or you can send back also. And you can attach any file here. So whatever the actions we already shown you in the video for the creating file, the same will applicable to existing files or files received from the outside. Same actions will be you can do in the all kind of categories. So this is all about files. I shown you how to create a file. That is, first you have to create the correspondent side, then create noting side with digital signature or with a true signature. Noting can be in green note or yellow note. I still suggest the beginner should use the yellow note part. Still they are very confident of the e-office and subject matter, because once you start the green note, you can't change the note that you prepared while you sent it to the higher authority, because it will be signed in the with signature or without signature in the e-office. So that's why you add yellow note. If you add yellow, if you write your note in yellow note and if you send further higher authority also, that can be discarded later, that can be edited later. So I suggest you all of the users to start your e-office with the yellow note, unless until you are very confident of using e-office and very confident of the putting the note independently without anyone's support. And once this noting parts are done, correspondence part is done, then you can attach. Then you can give link of any other file, any internal file. See, you can see what are the internal links that is given here. Then you can give any local reference from the desktop. See that we given one reference here. It is reference that is can be selected from the desktop. This reference can be any rule classification which is came later after creation of the file. After that, we created a draft. Here, this is the draft we created. That is giving NOC by attaching the things. This in the file, I am again saying in the file, the draft along with attachments as a standalone can be sent out of the e-office to any email ID. But it as a standalone draft with attachments can't be sent within e-office from here. As a total file you can send it, but only as a single draft with attachment you can send within e-office. For that you have to download it, then upload it in the receipt sections in the there. Then you again create the draft file to send it further in the e-office. So these are the actions in the file creation, file handling, and other things. Thank you very much, viewers.